Who's going to wear this bangle? What is this? And so expensive.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nelly, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you are just a hater, period. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing. So I am starting a business, guys. This is after begging and borrowing money. I finally decided to start up a business. I'm just going to be unboxing you guys the stuffs I ordered online. So these are not everything that I need for the business, but these are the things I can afford for now. I'll still show you guys other things that I'll probably get after this video and just combine everything together. So my first package came from GIG. And mind you, I got all these things from Lagos, from people that are already in the business, so that I will not go and buy excess or buy under. So I am starting a resin art business. Guys, please patronize me so that I can go back and give people their money. So let's start with this. Is way smaller than I expected. So this is supposed to be a frame. This is, bro, pictures can be so deceiving. This is way smaller than I expected. I'm not even capping with you, bruh. Guys, ordering things online can be very deceiving. Okay, they are looking so small. So this is a hub socket for your phone, back of your phone. Those things you used to hold on your phone. So yeah, not gonna see it's a problem. I wanted the 4-in-1. I'm not even coming with you. This is a lot more smaller than I expected. Like, guys, I swear, I thought they were way bigger than this. Okay. Oh, this is ashtray. Now the ashtray now is actually bigger. Weirdly. I'm supposed to put inside here. The ashtray now is bigger. Okay. Oh, these are for rings. Y'all get ready. Baby. Okay. I see where this is going. I'm liking it. Okay. So I'm just coming back from market though. Before I say let me unbox this thing, because I was in the market. I went to get these ones from somewhere, and these other ones they came to my house. So I'm so hungry. Let me joke. So fucking hungry. See, what is this? These things are so small. Like, what would I use this to do? Bruh. This is a pen. This is a crusher mode. It's not supposed to have like okay. This is a crusher. I don't even like. I swear to God. These things are like. This is a ruler. This is supposed to be a love pendant. Like some of the things are just awkwardly small, and then some are like. Okay, this one is not that small, so. But like, it's like. I don't even know how this shit works, but this one is not small, so. This is supposed to be an electric driller. And this is tweezers. I got this lighter from the market, like when I went to go to the market, and then I got this also from the market. I got pens because apparently one pen ink is 500 online, but one pen is 50 naira. I can just remove the ink. Make it make sense to me. Yes. And then I got some earring stuff. Please guys, come on, patronize me. Because these things may look small, but they are so freaking expensive. So please, patronize my business. Let's open this. Okay? I fear. Because if this one can be this small, because when I saw the boxes, I mean the packaging, I was like, why is this so small? This is a scale. A weighing scale. The scale is big, so I'm not sure how this works. So I'm going to read this later to see how this works. Yeah, I got pipettes. This business is not going easy. I got I got earring molds. I got earring molds. And I got big alphabet mold. I wanted to get the small one for pendants. I'll probably get that in my next, like the next batch of things I'm going to buy. So I got this one, big alphabet mold. I got the tray mode. Hey god, I got this measuring. I got resin brush. This is for book clips, whatever. This is book for book as well. This is a book mode. Like, I don't know why this is a freakishly small, but maybe I was not informed. This is my resin stuff. This is who the f going to wear this bangle? What? This is 2,000. This is 2,000. What is this? What? What is this? This is my hardener. I swear, right now, I don't know if I should cry. This, how can this be only one? This, uh, aha! I swear, I feel so fucking sad right now. I feel so fuckishly sad. Like, bruh, guys, I'm going to order more things. Like, as I'm talking to you right now, this has been over 100,000 naira. I'm not even kidding you. I'm going to order more things and I'll show you guys. So guys, I just got my last package, or my third package rather, and I am so sad because I was supposed to get something. In fact, that was the reason why I ordered this particular one from this particular people, and I forgot to get it. And I was just going through my orders like today to confirm all the things I've gotten, blah blah blah, and I realized that I didn't get that thing, and I'm so sad. Like, I look like a mess right now. Nobody should say anything, but I am so sad. This business has already started putting me in depression even before I got it, even before the business has started, and I'm like, what is all this? What kind of problem is this? What? Hopefully this is going to be worth it, because hey, I don't know, my face is too big. Yeah. I swear, when they said they were putting it in this cup, I thought they were going to fill the cup. Okay, this mold is not. This is like earring, necklace and earring mold. So this is good for me. Okay. Nice. Well, as expected, everything is still small. Everything is still small as expected, but like, these things are going to last me a whole lot. They will last me. See, it came broken. Like, guys, see, delivery to Port Harcourt is not easy. You see, the plate is broken. Everything is just. This thing is 2,000. 2,000. Nobody should come be pricing me nonsense, because I've already spent 10,000 naira on delivery. These things are expensive. These things are very expensive. Like, nobody should come be pricing me anyhow because, oh my god. These things are so small and so cute and so expensive. Because why is it so expensive? Bro. These are all my decoration stuffs. So hopefully, please, you guys should patronize my business. Patronize my business, because I would literally cry if I don't get patronized. Guys, I've spent mad money on this. I've spent, like, the more I think about the money I've spent, the more sad I am, and the more I'm like, this has to work. This is the only business that I know that I have spent my money. Oh, this is cute. Oh, nothing is a waste, please. Oh. This is the only business that I have spent my money, and if it doesn't work, I'm dead. No, I'm not dead, but like, anyways, I'm going to start making something. I'm pretty sure I might just join it in this vlog as well, or this video as well, so you guys can see what I am going to be doing for the rest, not for the rest of my life, for the time being of my life, and making money. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be taking you guys along on this channel. Everything I do here, I will show you guys, because you guys are my babies. I love you all. You guys support me so much. So yeah, period. Guys, I am literally screaming. Look at my ashtray I made. Like, oh my god, and look at the crusher I made, but I made mistake at the back, I be at the front. But look at it though. Look at it. Let me open it. Like, bro, look at my crusher. And this is for a keychain. This is the pouch, but I didn't do the pouch very well. But hey, first try out. First time I made something, and this is what I made.